Hello everyone, this is Payal Verma from Think Excellence Khanna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am making the video on the latest update from Pearson site about the no usage of templates in Describe image and retell lecture. So from 4th November 2024 onwards, in Describe image and retell lectures, all the templates which are being used will not be entertained at any cost. So I am here with the 3 conclusions about this update. So the very first thing which we need to consider is you need to focus on more content and less templates. So you can use any outline, you can use any skeleton to speak fluently in retell lecture and Describe image, but you need to add on more content now onwards rather than just relying on the templates only. And few lines they have clearly mentioned on their site, you can check their official site as well, like the some lines they have detected very carefully and they have said completely no to these lines, like it is a beautiful picture in front of me, I have to speak for 40 seconds, let me have a closer look, I can see different colors like this, I can see different numbers like this and this. So please don't use these lines at all from 4th November 2024 onwards. If you will use these lines in your Describe image or retell lecture, you will be marked 0 in your speaking, because if you will get 0 in content, then obviously you will not be marked any number in fluency and pronunciation as well. Only the second thing which you need to consider is only content part will be checked by examiner also. Pronunciation and fluency part will be remain with AI only. So if the content will not be relevant and if the content part will not be entertained by the examiner, so they will mark you 0, which will give you 0 out of 15 in Describe image and retell lecture. Second thing which you need to consider is you need to speak more now onwards. Like earlier we were speaking for 20 seconds only in Describe image and retell lecture to get 15 on 15 in these questions, but now they have clearly mentioned to speak more. So rather than speaking for 20-25 seconds, you need to speak 25 seconds plus. So try to speak between 30 to 40 seconds so that you will get full marks in your speaking module, as many of our students have scored 90 on 90 in speaking module. So now onwards we are targeting that as well. So we are ready with our new templates, or we can say with the new outline, so that computer or examiner will give you maximum number in your Describe image and retell lecture. So you can contact us on the given number to get those templates or to get masterclass or to get any kind of assistance, so that you can get your desired score in the very first attempt in PT. So thank you and stay tuned with Think Excellence Khanna.